Today we remember Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar, the founder of Russia Swayamsevak Sangh, a true patriot who inspired service and unity. Children. Yes, my grandfather told me Dr. G was born on the day of Yugadi, our New Year festival. That means today we have two celebrations, Dr. G's Jayanti and Yugadi. Wow, one for our nation and one for our family. After this, I want to go home early. Amma said we are celebrating Yugadi grandly this year. Same here. My house is full of decorations, mango leaves and flowers everywhere. Amma told me she is making Yugadi pachdi with jaggery, neem, tamarind, mango and salt. Yes, each dish shows how our life is sweet, sour, bitter and spicy. And my mother is preparing holiday. I don't want to miss it. You all are so excited for celebrating Yugadi. Okay, let's wish everyone before you go. Happy Dr. G's Jayanti and Happy Yugadi.
కూసినవి కొమ్మ ఊగుతున్నది కూసి కుయిలమ్మ పాడుతున్నది